welcome back to another video. I am loading back into Roblox and we're going to play some Adopt Me. I was probably not online, you see, all of those don't think one of I was online right now. But I'm gonna Adopt Me and she might join me later. So let's load in. I'll be back with you when they get loaded. Wait, we're already in. Great, perfect. So I'm gonna load in my house. It's gonna be real cool. But still, I've got to wonder. Oh, it's my bathtub. So, everyone's probably like, what pet is this? We've never seen this before. Why are you doing an Adopt Me video? To you, I say about the Adopt Me thing, leave me alone. And to you that are thinking, what's this neon twinkle thing? Add phone count. Add Hawthorne Green pets. One of Isla's. And Isla let me use her pet to get us a neon together. So then we got it. And I named it Twinkle because it was a cute name. Now it's a flare because we grew it up off camera. But I don't think Isla's going to be playing right now, you see. And as you can see, this is Twinkle, the neon cat. Meet her. I decided to do a video on Twinkle just to show you and the other viewers of my channel to check out some other videos. This cat's going to be in all my Adopt Me videos, so let's take it to school. And we're growing it out. We're going to be growing up from flat and maybe doing some tricks with it. So the first trick we're going to get into, I just want to try and see if I can act as a pet. I'm going to try to do weird stuff that I don't think is even possible. But it might be. You never know when Adopt Me. You never, ever know. So we're going to take Twinkle to school. And then we're going to do some weird things with Twinkle. The flag, the glimmering cat. Oh my goodness, that was a noob. A noob just walked past me. Play Kit My Dream. And you know how rare a travel house is? Did someone just try to say hi to me? Because I just said, play Kit My Dream. Do you know how rare a travel house is? Can I answer? Yes, I'm going to try this on new server now. She left. I don't have no one. No. Because everyone's after flares right now. She was my dream. Shut up. Can I steal offer? I'm making mega. Sounds cool. Right, you do to this one last week. No. I arrived at the school. I'm also hungry. Longer before school. Well, it's no! No, Bert. No. My neon cat. You can never take it off me. I'm going to walk on the seat. Mike! Whoa! 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 What? What in the world? I'm controlling my cat. What in the world? I am controlling my cat. What in the world? I'm controlling Twinkle. Flare! Oh my goodness. I just controlled my pet. I thought I was gonna like move on the chair. What? I didn't know that was gonna happen. Wow. Hi, my name is Mr. Poop. Hi. Lol. Cat emoji. Hi, lol, cat emoji. Look, it's Twinkle, the key. So, I'm not going to end this episode until we've got from Flare to a different level. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to get this to another level, and then we're going to end out the episode with her in our hands. It's going to be really cute. Is that a newborn neon bunny? Yeah, that is a neon bunny. Cool. Cool neon bunny. Oh my goodness, someone controlled a pet. Someone is being a pet. What? What in the world? They were trying to hack me. I thought I was gonna move on the Hey Neon. Gonna rub you with the sand. And Twinkle's favourite food, ice cream. She's gonna get sleepy, isn't she? Which is a good thing because we're aging her up. She knows every trick in the book, and that's because of my cat in my phone account, Light. And if you don't believe me that I have a phone, Isla knows I do. She's called me on it. Look, Twinkle can dance. Look at this cat. It can dance. That's because of Light. It can dance because of Light, Lucky Light, the cat. He was a great cat. He knew every single trick in the book. But now he's a Neon. And he's a Flare. This is Cuddles, the newborn little alligator pet. I call him the alligator pet because he can get snappy. And there is a cute name, but pandas can get snappy, especially a red one. And what is Cuddles? He is a ultra rare panda. Twinkle. I'm gonna take your phone, Twinkle. Well, I'll resume the video once I get back to my house. Hello, I'm in my house now, and we numbered up quite a lot of needs. You see, 4 needs that should get us up all the way. And now it's pretty okay. Look at that. It's a Flare cat. I got her today, and we leveled her up to a Flare already. awesome and really cute. She's thirsty. I can't lie. I mean, we were on for a long time. She's bored. Can't blame her. I know something she would do. Well, we'll put it away. Let's take you to the playground. You should try if toys will entertain you. Go! Go, Neon! You can get your click. No, that doesn't decrease your boredom. I have a rack rate stroller. She'll love this because it's really comfy. That's from... Who's that from? That's from Fluffy. Because Fluffy feels everything comfortable. So everything to her is soft, sweet, and comfortable. To the playground. To the playground with my animal. And it doesn't take a long time to get from all the way over there to get all the way here. Or do you think it takes a long time? I don't know. I'm going to spend most of my time in the city. So that's where you get your needs from, basically, by being in the city. So I'm going to work up a bunch of needs. From your old son, you are a baby. Cool. Now you can get you out of the stroller. Why don't... She liked the tunnel. You see, she likes it. Again. The tunnel is her favourite thing to do in the park. Her favourite thing to do is go through the tunnel. Her favourite thing to do is to use the tunnel. She likes using the tunnel. Just one more. There we go. I'm not bored anymore. Let's go home. Or just stay in the city. Remember, I'm not gonna end this episode until this cat's a neon. This cat will be a neon at the end of this episode. I'm gonna go look at the gift display and see what I can get. I only have some vehicles. The human ball Isla gave to me. None of these are exactly my vehicle, but Isla gave me some vehicles because she's such a nice person. She gave me some vehicles. She gave me some vehicles, and I think that's very sweet of her. So Isla, if you are watching this video right now, I'm taking care of Twinkle, in this episode. You know golden pets worth the same. So, nope. No galaxy warp. 70? Buy a bunch of these of the small gift. What do we do, miss? Miss Twinkle. Wow, I got a boomerang. 3 bummed out. Ooh, big gift. What is this? What will it be? Another one of these pump belts. Today, let's go up, up, and away! Like when you're on an aeroplane, but I have the Mary Poppins! Umbrella! It's really cool because I can jump really high and fall through trees. Apparently these trees aren't solid. Wait, this tree is solid. I don't fall through this one. How can my pet get up here? That's it, my pet never gets up here. Oh, my flare got up there. Luckily, my flare's good at parachuting. That's her favourite thing to do. She's new. I don't have any tea on my phone. We're going to the campsite. Kitty. Let's go to the camp. Why did I just walk through the bridge? Boing! Helps me jump further, which makes me go a lot faster. Thank you. Thank you, magical gift that gave me my Mary Poppins umbrella. Thank you, gift. That gift gave me my Mary Poppins umbrella. And it was very thoughtful. Because it's a Mary Poppins umbrella. And I love the Mary Poppins Returns movie. That's the only Mary Poppins video I ever watched. The Mary Poppins thing I've ever watched. I'm a bum. There's like literally marshmallow seats right there. That's a marshmallow seat. Like what? I mean, like, I am not camping. Me and my pet are just going out for a trip. So you can sleep. My goodness, Twinkle, calm down. After Twinkle's done napping, she gets a marshmallow. Has to be crispy and golden. Right like this. Put away, Miss Neon. What? Okay. Well, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to end the episode here. So, goodbye.